Hello YouTubers, this is the second video of the new hydroponics system. As you can see here, these are the parts of the PVC pipes that I fitted together to create the water delivering system in the new aquaponics grow bed. This will be the grow bed. It's pretty small, but it's for a test case, and I will show you what I've done. This is a piece of PVC and the water comes in here, goes down into this bigger container, so the water pressure builds up a little bit, and I can put a sponge in here and also on that side to contain all the small particles in there. Then I put end caps and I will keep them loosely. I will place them on the sides like this, and that one also. This will stand up in the grow bed. Then I have my PVC pipes. It all fits snugly, so you don't even have to glue it together. This is more than enough. So the end result looks like this. Water coming in here. I will drill holes on the side here, all the way up to here, and on the outside, this side, and then I will place the whole system inside. This will be the working system. So the water comes in here, builds up a little bit of pressure. Water can flow outside the pipes, fill up this grow medium. Also on this side, if the water flow is too big of the pump, it will just overflow here and just go into the bucket, down to the bottom, and drain. Beneath this bucket there will be exactly the same bucket where I keep the fish. So there will be a hole in the middle of this bucket, and the pipe will go inside there, and a mesh will cover it so these hydroton pebbles don't fall into the pipe, the drain pipe. Alright, this is the system, how it will be. I will build a wooden frame and make it all portable also. So stay tuned for when it's done. I will film it all and you can see it all in action. But for now, this is the system as I will build it and then film it. Alright, if you like, thumbs up, ring the bell, and I see you in the next clip. Bye bye.